Live from Yakima and the Tri-Cities, KVEW Local News at 5 starts now.
A public policy think tank in Washington State believes that Ben Franklin Transit needs to be more efficient with its bus routes and finances.
KVEW's Josh Peterson joins us now with the details of this report. Good evening, Josh.
Well, good evening, Kevin and Christy. The Washington Policy Center found bus ridership for Ben Franklin Transit is decreasing, and in order to keep rising costs down, the BFT could reduce low-demand bus routes. The report from the center states the transit's annual operating expenses rose more than 140% between 1996 and 2009. The center also believes the transit's van pool program should be expanded because the demand is increasing for that. This afternoon, I spoke with the BFT's manager of service development about the report. She tells me the numbers are not surprising, and the transit has already taken steps to become more financially efficient. For example, since 2009, the BFT has added more than 40 van pools and lowered the number of bus routes.
We have combined routes. We reduced our service hours. We're only going till 6 o'clock at night. We don't start until 6 in the morning, so we've cut trips on both ends of the day.
And McMullen tells me part of the reason for the rise in costs since 1996 is simply due to inflation and rising gas prices. The report also states employee salaries, benefits, and wages have risen 120% between 1996 and 2009. McMullen tells me the company's bus drivers are well paid, but they have extensive training and experience. Now, she also tells me that Ben Franklin Transit didn't commission this report, but if the transit can find new ways to save money based on the findings, they'll certainly look into them. Christy?
Thanks for that, Josh. A spokesman from the Washington Policy Center says as of 2009, bus ridership rates for Ben Franklin Transit were lower than they were back in 1996.